Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can do the face morphing thing in TikTok. So after the recent update in TikTok, things are a little changed. So to now do this face morphing thing, you have to go here, photo template, and before the template name was face morphing, but now the template name is my journey. So select this template and tap on select photo. Template will be downloaded. Okay, now you have option to choose 5 photo, so let me go to download. Okay, now let's choose 5 photo, 2 3 4 and okay, the last one 5. So now on the top right corner you can see this OK button. Tap there. Okay, so this is the video. So some tips for you: when you choose picture, it's better to choose a similar size picture and without any glasses or hoodie. Like you can see, the last picture I choose was with the hoodie and the transition was not so nice. And suppose I'm choosing this picture, this is a bigger one from the other. You can notice the difference. As you saw, the transition is not so nice. So always choose similar size picture. Okay, let's choose this one. Okay, so that's it guys. Likewise you can do this face morphing thing in TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.